Let's talk about simple term related with electricity. I want to start with a very basic knowledge of electricity. What is electric cell? Look at this. This is one of the electric cells. This is called dry cell. And actually cell is the source of electricity. When it is joined with a bulb, then bulb can be lighted. It means it is a source of electricity. And what happens when it is connected to a bulb? Certain chemical reaction takes place inside it because there are certain chemicals kept inside it. And because of that chemical reaction, chemical energy converts to electrical energy that comes through the wire and reaches to the bulb, and that's why bulb is lighted. That's why we can define cell in this way. Cell is a source of electricity which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Now, let's talk about battery. What it means battery? Sometimes I think you have seen that. Sometimes we are using two cells together, sometimes three cells together, sometimes more than three also. Whenever we use one instead of one, two or more than two cells together, that forms battery. Just for example, this common experience that a torchlight, generally a torchlight uses two cells like this. These two cells are when connected this way, then actually this is a battery. And battery can be defined this way. Combination of cell is called battery. When two or more than two cells are used together, this is battery. Now, this cell is symbolized this way, a long line and a short line. Long line represents positive terminal, short line represents negative terminal, and the connection is shown this way. This is symbolic representation of cell. We will use this symbol in the electric circuit to represent a cell. But this is single cell. If many cells are used together, then we'll use this symbol. This long line represents positive terminal, short line represents negative terminal. We'll symbolize 1 plus and minus only, and this dot line says that this is a battery. Maybe two or more than two cells are used together. This is a symbol for battery in the electric circuit. But sometimes we have to show two cells. Then we'll write a long line with short line, one cell, another long line with short line, another cell. This is positive terminal, this negative terminal. Will connect the conductor this way, and this first cell is connected with second cell this way, and this is plus, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus, the positive terminal and negative terminal. As we know that this part represents positive terminal. This positive terminal, inside this metallic cover there is carbon rod which becomes positively charged in this dry cell, and this part which is made up of the cover of zinc can, it becomes negatively charged. This is represented by long line, this is represented by short line, positive and negative terminal. This is one cell, this is two cells. In the same way we can connect three cells also, but if we don't want to say how many cells are there, we are saying battery, then this is the symbol for battery. Now let's talk about electric circuit. What it means electric circuit? When a cell is connected to a bulb by means of a conducting wire, then bulb glows. Then what happened here? A continuous electricity conducting path is formed between the source, effect and conductor. It can be represented this way. This is a cell. When this cell is connected to a bulb, this is the symbol for bulb. This is symbol for bulb. By means of this conductor wire, this is positive terminal, this is negative terminal, this cell is connected to this bulb by means of a conductor wire, then bulb glows, bulb gives light. Because the current flows from this positive terminal to negative terminal. Now, for the flow of current, a continuous electricity conducting path is formed between the source, that is cell, this is source, and effect, this is bulb where the effect of the current can be seen, this is effect, and this is conductor. That's why we can say that a continuous electricity conducting path formed between a source, effect and conductor is called electric circuit.